We're all guilty of doing this. Like a sentence and a half into the other person speaking, you're loading a bullet in your chamber that you just can't wait to fire, right? And I think if we have to dig this down in sales, where this comes from is two things. Number one, we think that being successful in sales means you have to be the smartest person in the room and you have to have all the answers. I'm just going to debunk that for you right now. It's simply not true, which is why a lot of times when people hire sales reps, their best 3 months of their entire career are the second 3 months of their career. What do I mean by that? Takes them 90 days to just kind of figure out what the hell they're selling. And then all of a sudden they do really great, and then all of a sudden they do not so great, right? It's because in that second 3 months of their job, they knew enough to be dangerous, but not so much that they didn't let the other person listen, okay? The other reason why we jump in so quickly is we have this subconscious fear of salespeople. If we let the other person keep talking, they might not be as interested in what we have to say. They might talk themselves out of it. And I'm sorry, like, Matt, you sell software. Bob sells apps. We got somebody on here that's selling mortgages. We've got somebody on here that's doing real estate deals. We've got people on here doing medical billing. Nobody is like, yay, it's Friday and it's my day off. I think I'm going to talk medical billing with somebody today. Most of us we're all in business where nobody's shopping for our solution, our products, our services, us just because it's fun to shop, right? They have a purpose. So let them talk, because they're only going to solidify. And the more we interrupt, the more we jump in, I'm not saying the conversation goes bad, but it could have gone really well if we let them explain themselves.